What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We have a fantastic question on the board that we're going to be solving. And the question says, find A for which 4 to the A times 4 to the A is equal to 80. Well, our first step will be for us to apply the law of indices, which says when I have A to the M times A, this is times A to the N, this is equal to A to the M plus N. We're going to be applying this to what we have on the left hand side. So I'll take one of the base, which is 4, and I'll add the powers up, A plus A, and this is equal to 80. So the left hand side now simplifies into 4 to the A plus A is 2A equal to 80. Now, our next step will be for us to take the log of both sides. So, I'll take the log of the left-hand side, which is 4 to the 2A, and I'll also take the log of the right-hand side, which is 80. Now, our next step will be for us to apply the law of logarithm, which says when I have, for example, log A to the M, this is same as M log A. So I'm going to be applying this law of logarithm to what I have here. So the exponents becomes a base multiplying log A. So I'm going to be taking the exponent 2A becoming a base to multiply log 4. So times log 4. Good. Equal to log 80. Now notice that 80 is same as 16 times 5. So that means wherever I see 80, I'm going to be simplifying it into 16 times 5. So this expression now becomes 2A log 4 on the left-hand side to be equal to log 80 now becomes 16 times 5. Cool. Now our next step will be for us to apply another law of logarithm, which says when I have log M times N, for example, this is same as log M plus log N. Always, multiplication is always associated with addition when it comes to logarithm. So this becomes 2A log 4 equal to, now this expression following the law of logarithm now becomes something like this. So it becomes log 16 plus log 5. Very good. Now our next step will be for us to divide through by log 4. And we're going to be doing that on the next slide. So let's divide through by log 4. So I'll divide this first term by log 4. I'll divide this by log 4. I'll divide this by log 4. Now notice that log 4 can cancel out log 4 so that we have 2A on the left hand side to be equal to, this becomes log 16 all over log 4 plus this becomes log 5 all over log 4. Very good. Now, our next step will be for us to write 16 in terms of the base of 4. And we know that 16 is same as 4 squared. So I'm going to be writing 4 squared in place of 16. So we have 2A to be equal to, this becomes log 4 squared all over the denominator, log 4, plus this becomes log 5 all over log 4. Now, our next step will be for us to take care of this by applying the law of logarithm, which says when I have log a to the m, this is equal to m log a. So let's apply this law of logarithm to what we have here. So we have 2a to be equal to this expression like this now becomes 2 log 4 all over the denominator log 4 plus, now what I have here, I have log 5 all over log 4. Very good. Now notice that log 4 can cancel out log 4 so that we have 2 here. So this becomes 2a equal to 2 plus log 5 all over log 4. Now our next step will be for us to take care of this log 5 all over log 4. And we're going to do that by applying the law of logarithm, which says when I have log m all over log n, this can be written as log m to the base n. You see that? Cool. So let's apply this law of logarithm to what we have here. So this makes this expression to be 2a equal to 2 plus, this now becomes log 5 to the base of 4. Now remember, we're looking for a, and in order to get a, we have to divide through by 2. So I'll divide what I have here by 2, I'll divide this by 2, and I'll divide this by 2. So that 2 cancels 2, we have a to be equal to 2 divided by 2, we have 1, so 1 plus, now what I have here can be written as 1 over 2. You know, this is a denominator and the numerator is 1. I'm talking about the coefficient. Now times log 5 base 4. So log 5 base 4. And there you have it. Well, feel free to share your ideas in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and have learned something from this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. And like I always say, until next time, take care.